jour de différence dans toute une existence. Ça n'a pas d'importance, semble-t-il, et pourtant.
Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to another video of mine, and for today's video it's going to be a holiday makeup look get ready with me. I don't know if you could call it a tutorial, but it is, I feel like it's more of like a get ready with me. But yeah, I hope you guys can use this kind of as some inspiration. I am not a beauty guru whatsoever. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and yeah, let's get started. So before I get started with the makeup, I'm just going to do a little bit of prepping, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the Restore facial serum. This just helps with toning down the redness. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some lip balm and just moisturize my lips. So starting off with the foundation, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this cushion. This is by Misha. Now that I've got the foundation going on, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some concealer under my eye bags. I'm going ahead and using the Maybelline, I forgot what this is called, but it's kind of rubbed off because I've been using it for a while. And I'm just going to blend that out with my finger, because I think that's just really nice. So now I've got that. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour a little bit of my face. I'm just going to use a brush to blend that out. I'm just going to go ahead and set all that with a powder, and I'm just using the Face Shop's Oil Clear Blotting Pack and a little powder brush. Now next, I'm just going to go ahead and add a bit of blush with this cream blush by Pixie. This is in the color Baby Petal. So I'm going to just apply that onto my cheeks and use my finger to just blend it out. I'm just using my finger to blend it out. I think finger is just the best blending tool. I'm just going to apply a little bit more. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and add some highlight, because you always gotta have a little bit of highlight. I'm just going to go ahead and use the Lumi Glotion in the lightest color, which is Fair Glow, and I'm going to put a little bit of Maybelline's Master Strobing Stick in number 100, in color 100. I'm just going to apply those on my cheeks and on my nose. I like to just go ahead and squeeze a little bit of this out onto the back of my hand and dab it, just to make sure I don't apply too much, because I kind of want a more natural highlight, surprisingly enough. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this and just kind of draw onto my cheekbones, if I even have any. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm just using the Total Temptation by Maybelline, and this is in the color medium brown. I really don't actually know how to do brows, by the way. Now here comes the fun part. We're just going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. Now the look that I'm going for is basically a natural holiday makeup look with a really nice bold red lip. So I just want to keep the eyes really natural. So I'm just going to go for a champagne-y sort of neutral eyeshadow. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm taking this Smashbox eye palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab the color Moccasin, that color there. I'm just going to pop that onto all of my lids. And I'm just going to apply Nirvana, which is this color right here, into the crease. Hold on, let me just close y'all up a little bit. Just apply that into my crease. Just slightly. So it's a little bit red, if you can see that. And I'm just going to blend it out with the blending brush. Next up, I'm just going to add a little bit more into the crease, and I'm just going to apply this color right here, which is called Siesta. It's this one. Just to deepen it up a little bit. So that's it for the color-wise, but now comes the fun part. I'm going to go ahead and grab this, a little single eyeshadow from Yves Rocher. It's like a French makeup brand. A little bit of shimmer, but really nice. Can you even see that? You can just see my veins, can't you? Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna apply it onto the center of the lid. And then I'm also gonna apply it under here. I don't really know what that's called, but it's like kind of like the eye bags, but obviously not really. But I'm just gonna apply it there as well. I'm also gonna just apply it in the inner corners because you gotta make those little bit pop. Just to top these off, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my fingers once again. And I'm just gonna use this, which is a shimmer stick by the Face Shop. I'm just gonna like literally just draw it onto there. So just draw it onto the center of the lid. Can you see that? Hold on. And then just to finish off my eyes, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and put some mascara on. And for mascara, I'm just using the Benefit Roller Lash, the little travel size. And this is how my eyes look now. Now, for the most exciting part, we're gonna go ahead and apply our red lips. I kind of don't really like the super like nice edges, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of it and then blend it out. I'm just going ahead and using this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Matador. And then just go ahead and go so you can get rid of the excess so that there's none on your teeth. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this look off with a little spritz. This is a little makeup setter. It's the Pixie Vitamin Awaken Mist. And you're done. So here's the look. It's very bold, but I think it looks really good for the holiday season. Also, by the way, sorry if I keep looking onto the side because I recently have got a new camera, or my brother got a new camera, so I'm really excited to use it, but the viewfinder is on the side. It used to be on the top for my old camera, so that's why I'm looking over here. And now we're done.
Un jour de différence dans toute une existence, ça n'a pas d'importance, semble-t-il, et pourtant la vie vous semble grise, 24 heures suffisent